Hello, beautiful people of YouTube. Wayne Hackman here, aka Whackstar, and in this video we're going to look at this product, the Wowstick 1F Plus. So what is the Wowstick IF Plus? Well, I have to say that someone actually gave this to me as a present. I wouldn't have normally thought about going out and buying something like this, but basically this is an electric precision or battery operated precision screwdriver, and I thought, well, this will be quite a fun thing to unbox here today and have a look at. Now, I am one of these individuals that has a habit of being able to fix everything I break, or most things, and so I think the person who bought this had this in mind, that actually this would help me on repairing some of those smaller fiddly bits and pieces. So what have you got in the box of the Wowstick? Well, you actually get this nice little screw pad right here. I'm guessing that this is magnetic. I have to say, real kudos on how this is packaged. It's lovely. It's been packaged really well. So if we just open this up and have a look, we've got ourselves here what is this? Looks like a magnetic screw pad. Here we go. Let's put it down here. Have I got a screw here that I can use? I've got a pair of tweezers here. Are they? Yeah, they're magnetic. That's so that's really cool. So that's really useful. I don't actually have something like that, which is quite useful. And then what else do we have here? Well, we have the accessories, we have tools, because this is the power screwdriver, this is the base, another toolbox, and some more bits with X1. Okay, so let's have a look at the actual screwdriver first. So that's one here. Oh, look, and underneath it you've got some even more bits. So let's just open this up and see what we've got here. So this is the screwdriver here. It's just a micro USB on that end. Oh, and it's even, oh look, it's got a little light on the end. Look at that. So you've got your bit in the end there. Oh, it's quite interesting. Does that unscrew? No, it doesn't. So that's the screwdriver. We'll put that there. What else do we have here? We have there's lots of boxes in here. This is really cool. What else do we have here? So we have here, oh look, and so here we go. We've got a whole load of bits here. Wow, look at, if you can have a look there more closely, you've got, I think by the looks of it, you've got everything here that you would need for every kind of screwdriver. There are hex bits, there are flat heads, there are cross heads. Wow, that's only one accessory bit. There's two more boxes in here as well, which is quite interesting. Let's get these out here and have a look. Look at this. So now we've got some, these are the torque drivers, little star bits here. So here we go, the third, you've got some triangular bits here, all sorts of, so you've got a whole load of different bits here that could be very useful. Okay, let's have a look at the base. It has a base here. This base is quite weighty. So we'll have a sort of closer look at this, see what this is like. So, all right, so it's just a base. It looks like I can peel that off and stick it onto something. And it looks like the screwdriver just goes in like that, or like this. No, I think it's like that. It just goes in there like that. And so you can put it on the desk, put your screwdriver in there, and it's ready to hold. That's quite interesting. Okay, then what's in this big box here? I actually thought that this big box was the screwdriver when I first saw it, but oh look, it actually comes with a nice little case. Look at this. I can put that in there, and then I'm assuming I can put some tools there, and I'm wondering if these are magnetic as well. So yeah, that's I like that. And then finally, what we got in here? Okay, we've got a micro USB to USB. We've got a little suction tool here. We'll look at here, some whole variety of screws. I'm wondering, you know, if you're like me, when you put something back together, you're always missing a screw there. And now this is interesting. This is a demagnetizer. So you can demagnetize bits at the top here, or you can actually magnetize them, depending on what you like. There are certain use cases where both are quite useful, and then you've also got a a little, what I call plectrum, but they're a little prying tool. Wow. And so that is everything that you get in the screwdriver kit. So if you're in the market for a precision screwdriver, Wowstick IF Plus, this is apparently 69 pieces in one. You get the screwdriver, a stand, charger, well, micro USB cable, a few accessories if you're doing repairs. And also, this is what I'm really impressed with there are three cases of bits here, and each bit has well, there are loads and loads and loads of pieces there. So I'm going to experiment with this and see what I can do with it. Really thoughtful gift. I'm really pleased that I've got this, and I'm sure that I'm going to use it. I'll have it little set up on my desk here so that I can just grab it as and when I need it. So if you're in the market for a precision screwdriver, maybe the Wowstick 1F Plus, this 69 in 1 kit is the way to go. Thought you might be interested in looking at this today. Thanks for watching. Do all of the things that YouTubers do, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.